Hey guys, just bought a new 2018 Honda Civic, actually Sport Touring. Bought this car yesterday, but I took it apart today already because we're gonna do some modification. Anyways, I took this off because we're gonna get the window tinted tomorrow, and my window tinting guy needs this spoiler or this thing off in order for him to lay the top and then fucking put it in. Anyways, whatever. Alright, took it off just so he doesn't mess up my clips. These clips right here, these 3 clips, are known to break because you need to make sure you pinch it from the top and then from the bottom, and then same thing here. Or else if you break the tab and you push it back in, it's gonna, shake. And I don't want that. I don't need to buy a new item. But anyways, back to whatever I was trying to do. Oh yeah, put a new LED right there in the back. Bought this car and used to have a CRZ. I took these reverse lights out of the CRZ, which is we're gonna replace it and put it onto here. I'm gonna show you right now what it looks like. Alright, this is what the light's on, and in order to take these lights off, I guess you're here because you want to know how to take these off. You can use an 8mm socket and put it in here, or you can use a Phillips. Most of the time I prefer to use a 8mm socket just so you do not cross thread the inside screw that's inside. Yeah, because once you cross thread it, then you'll see all that metal shaving looking thing, because these screws are black, and then if you cross thread them you'll see it. And we prefer to have it a nice clean look, I guess. Yeah, anyways, so yeah, I'm not gonna fast forward this, so you could just listen to me talk if you want to. If not, you could fast forward yourself, but always have the headlight out, tail light out. I'm gonna do this one-handed. Okay, so in order to take this out, remember I bought this car yesterday, so in order to take this out, tap it a little bit, make sure it's loose. Okay, it's loose. It has to come out towards the driver's side, like this. Okay, that's one. There's 2 clips, one clip here, one clip here. How do I know this? I've taken this tail light off on other cars numerous times. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But I'm gonna just use one-handed and brute force it. There you go, just like that. And then while you're doing that, you scratch everything else that's on the car, right? But anyways, so I still have the reverse light on. It's gonna be super hot. And here's the reverse light plug right here. Okay, and then twist this way, twist it off. Okay, this is the bulb that was inside, and because I had it on this whole time, it's gonna be super hot. I am gonna put, actually, you know what? Use this. Ow, that was hot. All right, stay there. All right, good job. Anyways, I'm gonna put this in. I really need like a different, I need a camera mount or something. Anyways, stick that in there, just like that. Okay, is polar, so it does have directional, positive, negative. Is it polar? Is that how you say it? But anyways, so we're gonna test it out. If not, we're gonna flip it. If it turns on, then we're good. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this inside the hole. Okay. That's what she said. Anyways, and then plug this in. Okay, the light's on, just making sure the light's on. Oh yeah, so let me just show you how the tabs look like. Okay, these 2 white tabs go into those 2 holes. So same thing, make sure you line up inside there, because if you don't line it up and hit it, you will break the tabs and you will not have a good day. Okay, once you get it in, push and click. I guess both click at the same time. And then right here, you see the hole is lined up. And then you're gonna put the screw in there. You can hand tie it first if you want to. That's one. And that's 2. as you can see already, the headlight is already, I mean the tail light. The reverse light is really bright. I guess you can't tell through the camera, but however, I can see it. Okay, so this is how the LED looks like, and that's how the regular halogen bulb look like. I don't know if I can adjust. Yeah, regular LED. Let me turn off the light. Actually, you know what? From this angle, they're both almost the same lumens, I guess that's how you say it. They're the same brightness because yeah. But you know what? I like the LED look, so that's why I'm going for it anyways. So let's just go for that. And then I'll do the other side, but obviously I don't need to show you that. So yeah, if you guys like the video, you know what to do. If you don't like it, don't do what you gotta do, all right? Just let me know what else we could do on this car. But anyways, I'm gonna be working on this car, you know, throughout the week, you know, buying some stuff, you know, to update the vehicle. But anyways, we're doing something slowly, and just show you how to do the reverse tail light, the reverse light, and then we might end up switching this turn signal into also LED. But yeah, that's just for me anyways, because you guys already know how to take out the tail light now. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment. Thanks, guys.